Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Eatonton local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance movement is defined as transporting belongings across a distance of 50 miles or more. We can transfer your assets safely and efficiently locally, intrastate and interstate. We have excellent working relationships with the federal and local officials in charge of the relocation. We also have insurance plans that cover any hazards or risks that might occur during the moving trip. Our careful and hardworking movers and drivers will deliver your valuables to their final destination without damaging or losing them. Our services are reasonably priced, and we do not take advantage of our customers. A local move is usually far less expensive than a long-distance move. Our services are no different, and in fact, we offer the cheapest rates. Our rates for local relocations are low, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our hardworking and licensed movers will provide you with the most value for your money. We've worked in congested areas before, so you can trust that your items will be relocated safely and on time. Our team of local movers is the best in the business, and they're dedicated to planning out the best moving strategy and making the most outstanding choices. You can also inquire around about us. Many of our clients will be happy to share their experiences with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Eatonton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.